Welcome back to the garage. We're back on the old crew cab project, and the next plan of attack is to get the cab off of this frame. Now I want to get the cab off of the frame so I can sit the engine and transmission in here as one unit, and I can address the engine mounts and the transmission mount, get them all dialed in. Now I thought ahead yesterday and sprayed the cab mount bolts down with penetrating oil, but I don't think that's going to cut it, so I got the grinder and the cutoff wheel, next best thing. Got you set up over there, got my artificial shade tree on this side, and let's get to it. What I'm going to try to do is get the Bobcat under this side of the rocker panel, lift up, put some 4x4s, go to the other side, do the same thing. And what I'm going to try to do is lift up this side completely with the Bobcat, and I'm going to try to get my rollback on this side, tilt the bed down, get it under this rocker, and then tilt the bed back up to see if I can get this high enough to where I can pull the frame out from underneath of it. But we'll go ahead and try that. Hopefully I don't drop it. I'm not usually one to doubt myself, but that definitely worked out a lot better than I thought it would. I was kind of curious if I could get that cab to slide that good, but when I put them 2x4s down, that helped me out a lot. Now another thing I didn't really notice until I got to messing around with this is that a couple of these are ate up. But luckily I've got another truck frame or two that I can steal these off of. Yeah, these two are bad on this side. I think the front one on the other side's good, but the back one's bad as well. Yeah, the front one looks brand new. Back one's got a crack in it. Let's go ahead and knock the rivets off of that. Put on those other three. But that did work out very slick. I'm no Jonathan W. by any means, but I'm getting a little bit better with the rollback stuff. I think this will end the video here for today. Next one will be getting the transmission, or I'm sorry, the frame in the garage and getting the engine and trans stuck back in it. Thanks for watching. I've got a lot of other neat projects coming up that you don't want to miss out on. Leave a comment down below, and I hope to see you next time.